Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, we are simply going to learn how we can find our TikTok's watch history on our TikTok app. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. So how do we find our TikTok watch history? The first thing I want to tell you is that you simply want to update your TikTok application to the latest version. If you have not yet updated, then you want to simply open your device's respective app store. In the search box, you need to type in TikTok and then go ahead and download and update the first application which comes up on the list. And after we have downloaded TikTok as well as updated it, we are going to simply open TikTok and make sure we are logged into our account. Now let's say this is the TikTok account of which you want to find the watch history of. Now I did some research on this and there were so many videos and fake videos telling you that you should go to your profile page and then if you tap on the menu bar and then go to settings and privacy, here you would actually be able to find the option called watch history. But as you can see, even if my app is up to date from the app store, there is no any option to actually find your watch history on this content and activity tab. So instead, what I'm going to show you is that I'm going to give you an alternative solution on how you can actually view your TikTok watch history. For that, we want to simply come back. Once we come back, we want to go to the discover page of the TikTok app, which is the search icon on the top right hand side of the screen. Here, the only way to actually find your TikTok watch history is to simply search for any type of queries. Here, you want to simply type in the queries of the related videos which you are trying to search from your watch history. For example, let's say I type in pen and then I tap on the search box right over here. This is the default search page of the TikTok. But if you want to find content related to this from our watch history, then what you want to do is, first of all, on the top right hand side of the screen, you will be able to see this line, these two lines right over here. This line is generally called the filter line, so we want to simply tap on it. As we tap on it, here at the bottom you'll have enabled a filters tab and you can see that we have the option called watched videos within last 7 days. So you want to make sure that this toggle is currently on, and if you want, you can also tap on more. Here you can simply tap on date posted all time, and then you can also sort by relevance or most liked right over here. Once done, you can tap on apply on the top right hand side of the screen after selecting your filter, and it will show you the list of your watch history which is relevant to the keyword which you typed in. Now this is the only way to actually find your TikTok watch history as of now. Many profiles and many accounts don't have that option called watch history under the content and preferences tab. So this is the best alternative solution as of now. As you go to the discover tab and then you type in your search query, then you select filter and then select your filter according to the last 7 days. It is going to show you a list of all the relevant contents which are relevant or related to the keyword which you typed in from your watch history on TikTok. So this was the way on how you can actually find your TikTok watch history. We hope this video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then do make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.